Okay, now we're ready for our second titration. In this one, I'm still going to use my potassium permanganate solution, and you should be able to see the initial reading. And I'm going to titrate that against store-bought hydrogen peroxide, which should be 3%, but we're going to check that. So I'm going to create my flask for my titration. I'm going to put some water in. I am going to acidify this again, so I'm going to take some 6 molar sulfuric acid, just like we did last time. And again, it doesn't really matter exactly how much I use, just that I do acidify the solution. And now we're going to add our hydrogen peroxide, very small amounts. So I'm going to use graduated pipette, and you will get an initial and a final reading on this as well. So here is our initial reading. And I'm going to put some in here. And there's our final reading. So we're using very little hydrogen peroxide for this. And our process is going to be virtually the same. As I put the potassium permanganate in, the color disappears. I am looking for the point at which the color remains. And that will tell me all of the hydrogen peroxide has been used up. And it looks to me like I have my faint purple color from potassium permanganate. So that tells me we finished our titration. You can get your final reading from the burette and start your calculations.